Hi friends, welcome to Dental Adda. Everyone want to capture some good photographs for your patients and good documentation. And for the same purpose, I have purchased some set of contrasters. This packaging contains a full set of 3 pieces of autoclavable contrasters. Here company have shown some images for illustration purposes. We can use it on the occlusal and various aspects of anterior and posterior teeth. So let's take these contrasters out. This is first one. Let's see another two. I think this is for anterior teeth. It have 3 various sizes. This is third one. You can use it on both the sides. Let's try it on the model. I will show you some before and after photographs after using these contrasters. I have captured this image before using contrasters and let's see what's the result after using it. Oh wow, I am able to visualize much more details after using these contrasters. Here I will share a trick with you that how to use it. Always hold a contraster at an angle of 45 degree to the occlusal plane rather than sticking it to the tooth surface. So if you hold it correct way, you won't get a reflection and the black color will be more uniform and matte. Now we will start capturing some images using this another contraster. Here are some results after using these contrasters. Wow, beautiful. Let's try our last contraster. We can hold it like this from the inner aspect of the tooth. For upper tooth we can hold it like this and capture our tooth in macro mode. This is the image before using contrasters and let's see the results. We can see much more clarity and it's like a professional one. Here I am sharing some before and after results of these contrasters. I hope you will surely buy this for your dental photography and improving your photography skills. So thank you everyone for watching this video. Kindly subscribe to Dental Adda for more such important and tricky videos.